This week, the euro has started to rise in value. The price has risen from 1.16 all the way to 1.166. We can see that it was only a move of around 40 pips, and from there the price on Wednesday has dropped significantly because of this strong bearish candle that has been created on the market. After the price has reached this area of support 1.1584, the price returned back up, trying to recover, return to the bullish mode which has lasted in the previous week. The price continued to lose its value. We can see the price formed this strong bearish candle again below this area of support and then continued to lose its value yesterday, and it has stopped between this area of resistance, this area of support. Weekly time frame currently shows us that we are currently in the bearish mode, where the price is forming a bearish breakout below this area of support around 1.158. This is on the weekly time frame, which is just suggesting further decline in value. So what we can expect based on this one, what we can see on this one, what I can see, it is a bearish week that has shown it is a bearish breakout, suggesting further decline in value. So I'm expecting the price will drop down further, and where the price could stop is around this area of support around 1.145. If we take a look on the daily time frame, we can see that 1.148 is the next support level, and this is very close to 1.145, which is visible on the weekly time frame. So I'm expecting next week that the price will drop in value, continue this loss in the last 3 days, which is just confirming this bearish breakout that has been created on the market on a Thursday. So I'm expecting the price that the euro against US dollar will lose its value, and the market has made a move. So this is just a signal for me that this bearish momentum is much stronger than it is a buying momentum, because they had enough strength to make this barrier of the demand zone where the buyers are waiting, that has tried to push the price up in this case, but unsuccessfully. So the price has continued to lose its value. This is what I am expecting. On a Monday, the price will continue to lose its value further down. Now, if you would like also to receive the updates during the week, where the price is heading, is there any bullish or bearish breakouts happening on the market, like in this example where we had a bearish breakout indicate further decline to this area of support, feel free to check also the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so join other traders to receive these updates during the week. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.